calling Judge Kelly Luther's chambers.
Judge Luther's office?
Miss Kathy.
Yes.
You've always been a very sweet lady to me and always a very straight shooter, it seems like.
Oh, well, thank you so much. What lovely, kind words on a Friday. Thank you.
Yeah, it is Friday. Oh, my gosh. Miss Kathy. I've got a grievance. This is Matt Reardon.
Yes, sir.
And I had just been made aware that the Justice Court judge from Union County that was assigned from Union County Judge Garrison had recused himself, and I just got sent the order and I read over it. And I think
that's my understanding too, Matt. However, a new order has just been issued. That is, and you're supposed to be copied on it at a later time. It hadn't had its chance to work through the system with the mail and what have you. But there already has been a new judge assigned to that.
I'm going to have to probably challenge that. I was not aware. See, here's my problem. Is that in regards to all the circuit court stuff, that's just a mess. The Supreme Court, the judge's name, I feel like 100%, after I put in the motion for recusal on Judge Luther, I feel like in the circuit clerk's office, the judge's name was fraudulently altered from Kent Smith, which is who it was assigned to Judge John Kelly Luther. I actually have screenshots through August to where it actually reflected Judge Kent Smith as the presiding judge over my circuit court matter, but yet Judge Luther kept overriding that and ruling denying the motions and refused to recuse himself. I thought that, being that he was made aware prior to the post-conviction relief matter, he was made aware of crimes committed by Lafayette County officials through the detailed email that I'd sent to you.
Matt, I'm going to have to stop you there. I know your grievances have been many. Anytime judges recuse at the justice court level, it's procedurally appropriate that the circuit judge reappoint someone else.
No, but I'm saying Judge John Kelly Luther is not the proper judge to be appointing judges over another matter. In fact, I think he really has an obligation to step aside.
You're wrong about that, Matt. He is the senior circuit judge
right.
in this district.
But in light of the claims, the conflicts of interest that have been raised in regards to being made aware of the stuff up front on post-conviction relief, I think that he has an obligation to pass it to another judge to assign the judges for justice court.
The only way, and this is part of your problem, Matt, is you represented yourself pro se in all the matters that I'm aware of, as opposed to having professional legal counsel. All I can tell you is everyone, including yourself, that has any issues before justice court or city court or circuit court has to know how to file the appropriate motions and have them presented to the court. And I think that part of your problem is that procedurally you don't know how to do all those things. Now, I understand that you say you cannot afford legal counsel, but I would encourage you at this point to obtain some legal counsel so that you can go forward, with sound legal advice. So,
it sounds like I'm having to watch and duck my head from Judge John Kelly Luther. I don't think I've done anything wrong procedurally when it comes to filing a motion.
Well, I assure you, Mr. Reardon, that Judge Luther has not done anything inappropriate. And you're welcome to write him a letter if you like. But
when's he going to be in Lafayette County?
He is the senior circuit judge, and
is he there today?
he has done everything by the rules. He's, of course, not only a Juris Doctor, he's the senior circuit judge. So nothing he has done has been wrong or inappropriate.
Well, I'd like to ask him some questions. Is he in Oxford today?
No, he's not.
Oh,
He's not. And also, Matthew, and this is another problem for you, I realize, and I as much as I would love to assist you, I'm not in a position to do so. But another problem is, while you have ongoing pending matters before the court, it would be inappropriate for the judge to speak with you directly. That's against the rules.
Just like if I have pending matters in the circuit court and Supreme Court, it would be inappropriate for that same judge that I have issues with in another court to be assigning judges in justice court.
Without the other side being present.
But it's no different than jury selection. It's no different than juror selection when there's a conflict of interest that's picking the judge